People, this is a conversation is impactful to myself and as much as my audience. Because we get the DM them, we get the inbox them, but this particular scenario. Samantha, it's a pleasure to have you on the program. MEK WI REASON.
Thanks very much.
Every Sunday, to you're there as a guest. Me and Nadia have got a thing or we have built every Sunday on Instagram. MEK WI REASON. People, please make sure you're gonna find yourself 4 o'clock Jamaica time, 5 o'clock America time, 11 o'clock England time. We do this on the ground every Sunday. Come, MEK WI REASON, yes sir. With that being said, Samantha, the platform is yours.
Yes, all right. Big up everybody. Hi Nadia. Hi Epic. And hello to my beautiful melanin pretty sister in the corner there.
You too. You're beautiful too.
Thanks. So just the other day, I was on Facebook and I saw you guys. I saw you and Nadia, and you guys was talking some facts, some truth, and you guys touched the topic of how the woman in Jamaica has been abused by men. And I heard Nadia was saying, talking about this girl that said it's just because Kanice Jackson is brown and pretty. I don't remember if it's Nadia, it's you guys were talking about it.
Yes.
And it touches me so much that I think I have to jump on this because I have a lot to share. Can I just touch that topic? Let me tell you this girl that said that it's because Kanice Jackson is brown and pretty, why she getting so much attention? It is not true. Because let me put this out there. Did you all remember Yetania Francis, the dark-skinned girl that was being burnt, the 15-year-old? Her body was being burnt and thrown behind the church. That break the internet completely, and her skin is as dark as mine. It's the same thing with the little 8-year-old or 9-year-old. I don't remember her surname is Skyers. People literally did jungle justice for that girl. So
that's the girl that Quada got in trouble for. That's the girl that Quada is in trouble for.
That's
right
the one
now.
I'm talking about. No, my question to this female that is not empowering us females, was that little girl's skin complexion as bright as Kanice Jackson's? That's my question to her.
Somebody else needs to speak this, because if I speak it, they will say I'm ignorant. Because I'm a male, I should not say such things. So you as a female, you are allowed to say that without the feedback. You understand me? If me say it, then jump on me up.
Don't worry, I've got a lot to say tonight because I've got a lot to say tonight. And I'm just speaking facts and reality. Now, you see this killing of females in Jamaica, I don't care what nobody want to say. Our culture have a lot to do with it. Because as you see this little girl, this woman, let me not say little girl, this young lady, or whoever she was, big woman, that is saying that it's because of Kanice Jackson's skin complexion. The first thing that she saw is the dead girl's complexion, that her complexion is bright. Beauty comes from within. You don't see beauty on the outside. And we, plenty of us females, we're coming from a place of bitterness. We're coming from a place of hurt. We're coming from a place of emotional abuse, verbal abuse, and we're broken inside. And because we're not motivated from the inside, then the ugliness from the inside will come on the outside. Let me give you an example why I see this. I'm going to use myself as an example. I couldn't remember when I was growing up. I had this cousin that have a whole lot of hair, yeah? She came over by my house and she said to me, could you help me to take them my braids? I was helping her to take them her braids. Now, I was told by one of my guardian, the female, to like pick up the clothespins from under the line, which I didn't hear. Anyway, instead of her turning around scolding me in the proper and correct way, the first thing she told me that you're effing ugly. When you become older, no man now go want you, man go use you or refuse your abuse because you're so effing ugly. I was in fourth grade and I grew up with that inside of me. Not wanting to look in the mirror, not wanting to hang around any other females. I used to look at my little friends at school. I used to ask myself, why am I uglier than these little girls? There was this pipe outside, yeah? I always run to the pipe and just wash my face, thinking I'm washing the ugly off of it. Because all in my mind, I don't want to grow up so ugly. Now I grew up with this inside of me. And while I was growing up like that, trust me, I didn't know how to motivate another woman. I didn't know how to compliment another woman. I didn't know how to say to another female, you're beautiful. You understand? When I see other females that looks like me, I see myself reflecting in them. I see the thick lips, I see the nose, I see the dark skin and the kinky hair, and that's what I look at and think that's ugly. Because I see myself reflecting in those ladies.
Can I say something?
That's when I grew older and I start finding myself. And then I start telling myself, listen, I have a daughter. This female in my life, I have a twin, a girl and a boy, and I'm saying, I don't want my daughter to suffer the same fate as me. I'm not handing down any generation curse to my kid. So I'm going to start facing the mirror. I'm going to tell myself I'm beautiful, I'm strong. I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. And when I start motivating and empowering myself, I notice that the most important female in my life, which is my daughter, I can empower her. And she grew up to love herself. That little girl is 8 years old and she can visit the mirror 24/7. And I compliment her every chance I get. So you see this, I'm just saying this to say that plenty of us in Jamaica, females, we suffer that from we were small. We suffer, they're not thinking about not calling us out of our names. The least little mistake that we make, they call us out of our name. I have gap teeth. I used to be called vampire teeth. My lips are thick. I used to be called my mouth long like of a hog. I have nigger hair. They said me effing a dry lacquer. You understand? That's the names they called me when I did a simple mistake. So plenty of us women from Jamaica, we're coming from a place of bitterness and resentment because from small, that's how they brought us up. So if we can't empower ourselves, we can't even empower one little dead girl. So people must just extend a little bit of leniency to this woman because you can see that she's coming from a place of bitterness. You understand? Because I am one that can testify to that. If you listen, God please. Yes.
Hold up in. Sue want to say something on a point, so give Sue a chance to respond.
Okay. So
okay, no problem.
As I mentioned earlier, Nadia, I'm addressing you, Nadia. As I said earlier, I said abuse is not caused by mental illness. It is not caused. As she just said, it was taught to her as a child coming up. She was abused. That's verbal, and that's also mixed. Verbal is also mixed most of the time with culture, right? Because in our culture, growing up in our culture, our grandma or great grandma would tell you, even if they're trying to identify another child, they would say, no, the brown one. The one, look, you see the one with the brown eye, you know, the brown eye one? Exactly. So I'm telling you, those things are not inborn or caused by mental illness. It was taught to us. Men who abuse women, they were taught that because as kids growing up, You have brothers and you have cousins and uncle. Their dad would deal with them different. They are men before there is even time for them to become men.
No, but
Right?
no, hold
They
on,
would
hold
tell
on.
them,
They got second, they got second too. They got second. It's not a matter of we are being taught.
you are.
You know what I said? I share Uno versus what I mean. It's not a matter of being taught.
You just don't know it. You were taught.
Society puts us to a level where in
No,
which males
no,
are supposed to be
I
man.
disagree. And
No
just
matter what. Hey, no, they got second, they
if
got
you
second, they
allow
got
me to
second, they
get
got
my
second.
points
They got
across,
they got second. I let you speak. I let you speak. They got
I wasn't
second.
finished though.
No, I know, but I'm touching this one specific topic, and I'm gonna let you finish speaking. Society let us know that we are man, and as a man, you should act as such. Society does that to us, and it corrupts our head. No,
But
no,
guess
listen me
what?
now. Let us finish. Let me
Epic,
one speech
the fact
and let
that
it.
you said society builds us, that just confirm what Sue is saying, that you were taught.
Exactly.
No, no, hold on.
But
Let
me
me,
not, me not
hold
say,
on.
me not
Hold
say
on.
what you
Just
say
But
right
you know
now.
confirm
what,
what Sue
Nadia?
is
Calm
saying.
down. Calm
Epic
Tolerate
down.
is
what
not
he's
Calm down.
what
doing.
Calm down. Calm down.
Epic.
Let me
What
just
you're
get
not,
my,
you know,
hold on.
Epic. What you're
Let
not
me just
understanding
let me just
is
get this point across, my love, because you and I are on the same thing. We're agreeing with each other. Now there is somebody there just gave a leave a I don't a comment. He's
Comment.
saying not all men, but not all men are abuser. Not all men. So
no.
when he said
No,
we're
listen to me
men,
now.
I am talking men who abuse women or women who abuse men, because we're looking at it like it's only men that abuse women. You have women that abuse men too, right? So we're not trying to take side that men abuse women and women are not abusers. Men abuse women, women abuse men. So now I'm saying to you that it was taught, abuse was taught even to a child, because 75% of abuser was abused. Whether it's physical,
Not.
verbal, psychological, they were abused. Okay? Now, I say this, I say that to say this. Okay, whenever time an abuser starts to abuse a person, right? That person, most of the time, is two things: they can't recognize the signs, or they see it and fail to realize that this person is very abusive. Okay, do you agree
Let
with
me
that or
sit
you
down
don't agree?
here
Yeah,
because
in
this
some
is getting
cases.
hot and I can't stand up.
Exactly. So as I said, abuse was taught from in the home. Now boys are taught not to play with dolls, not to have emotions. Because if a boy cry, you cry too much. Yeah, girl. So where their emotion is, where did they learn to exercise their emotions? If they can't exercise it by crying, what do they do with it?
Bottle it up inside.
Exactly. And what it become? Tension. It become tension, right? And that's let me have finished. That's one of abuse comes in cycle. It can be 3 cycles, it
Hold
can be
on,
4
hold on.
cycles, it can be 5 cycles.
They go 1 second. They go 1 second. Because you see where you are going is where we are going to reach at the end of the program. They go 1 second. Samantha,
Yeah.
I need to hear your story now. Start your story. You see your
Yeah.
story. So they
Yeah.
put your
Yeah, let us
opinion
finish.
on the back burner for 1 second. Let Samantha start her story. Let her story start now. And then your take will multiply to her story at the end of this. So we do not have to go over and over the same
Yeah, we
thing.
don't have to repeat. All right,
Samantha,
no problem.
they got second.